Hey, so in this video, I am going to be going over the setup and maybe a few questions for game 2 from prep test 39, I believe. Yes. Okay, so I've already done the setup just because it takes a little while to do that with the annotation on Zoom. But you'll see that I've created a grid here. And the reason I did that is because we have a 3-day conference and we have 3 sessions on 3 topics each day. So the topics are hiring, investing, and regulations. And so every day they're going to have a session on each one of those. So we have 3 sessions, 3 days, nice 9 square grid. And then what we're trying to figure out is which one of the sessions or which of the sessions are being attended by these employees. And they're participating in the conference. It says that each conference participant attends exactly 2 sessions, which are on different topics and on different days. So I have 2 sessions for Maria, 2 for Suki, and 2 for Tate. And I just did them in different colors, but we don't have to do that. But that's just one thing that I did to kind of show that they have to be different topics and on different days. So I do actually have to separate them. I know that M and S are not going to be attending any on investing. So as soon as I know that, I actually know that M has to be selection. Well, okay, so M has to be attending hiring one day and attending regulations on another day. And the same is true for S. So yeah, one of their sessions is hiring and the other one is regulations because they never attend anything on investing. Tate doesn't attend any session on the 3rd day. So that means that one of Tate's is going to be on day 1 and the other one is going to be on day 2. But I don't know which of the types or which of the topics that Tate is actually going to be attending, which of the session topics I'll attend. And then a maximum of 2 capital employees attend any given session together. So even though there's like overlap, for example, with day 2 and the regulations session or day 2 hiring or day 1 hiring or day 1 regulations, where I can see, oh, I could put MS and T all in that day. That's not allowed, okay, at most 2 in any given session. So now that I know that, one thing I could do actually just to make it a little bit more clear is just make a note that I can't have M or S in hiring and that I can't have T on the 3rd day. So just kind of make that clear. All right, what's the maximum number of sessions attended by at least 1 capital employee? So that would mean everybody attends a different session. We have 6 total that we can do, right? So each conference participant attends exactly 2 sessions. So we have 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. And the only one that nobody can attend is 3I, right? So T can't attend that, neither can M or S. So I could actually just say, yeah, nobody's there. right? But we do have 8 other sessions that at least it's possible somebody could attend it, and then 2 sessions per participant. So 6 would be the maximum. And I still have that stamp on. Okay. So if we show answer there, we're going to get 6. All right, which one of the following must be false? So cannot be true, must be false. That means that we can eliminate possible solutions / could be true, right? So we're eliminating things that could be true. Maria attends sessions only on the first 2 days. I mean, that seems possible. Suki attends sessions only on the last 2 days, also seems possible. Don't see any reason why not. Also, because M and S have the same rules that apply to them, and the first 2 days and the last 2 days, at least in relation to M and S, are equivalent. Probably, those two are essentially logically equivalent to each other. I mean, day 3, of course, we can't have any Tate, so that might impact it a little bit, but I'm thinking those ones seem pretty likely to be possible given what I know. So I'm going to ignore them for now. C, exactly 2 capital employees attend a session together on the second day. Yeah, so I mean, second day, that also seems possible. Yeah, not a problem there. Not a very restricted day. Exactly 1 session is attended by 1 or more capital employees on the second day. Yeah, I mean, we still have room for M&S on the 3rd day, for T investing on, the first day. So I think there would be enough room for that. E, exactly 3 sessions are attended by 1 or more capital employees on the 3rd day. So no, that's actually not possible. So on the 3rd day, no one is attending investing, right? And on the 3rd day, we just have M and S. So yeah, that must be false. So sometimes with these, you can save a little bit of time by, if you have like a pretty good idea of what's going on in these scenarios, you can kind of skip over the ones that seem possible. You don't actually have to test all of them the first read through, right? So on that first read through, you're looking for something that's obviously not possible. And E being the last one, it's the correct answer, and it is fairly obvious that that's not possible once you've done the work of making those deductions at the beginning. So yeah, you don't actually have to go through and test every answer choice on that first read through. Right. So here we have a question specific condition. So we do want to pay attention to that first, right? So if exactly 2 sessions on the 3rd day are attended by 1 or more capital employees. So that would mean that I have either M or S doing hiring on the 3rd day and either M or S doing regulations on the 3rd day. Okay. So let's, well, why don't we actually just put these guys in there? Just do a little example. So put M there. Put S in here. Okay. So what must be true? Now we could switch these two up, right? So this could be S and this could be M. Just keep that in mind. A, exactly 2 sessions on the first day are attended by 1 or more capital employees. So 2 sessions on the first day by 1 or more. Hi, chicken, what's going on? Sorry, my bird just flew over and is distracting me. I'm going to pause here and come back. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry about that. Right, so answer choice A, exactly 2 sessions on the first day are attended by 1 or more capital employees. So we do need to have S sometime with hiring, right? But what if we put S on the second day? Okay, put M on the second day. We could put T there. And then the other T, I mean, we could have 2 in the same session. So it's not actually necessary that we have exactly 2 on the first day. So here's the first day here. We would just have T on the first day. That's totally fine. Okay. We also don't need 2 on the second day to be attended by 1 or more, right? We could move these guys over here. So move T to day 1, R, and move M there as well. And then we just have 1 session on the second day. Okay. So we can eliminate that. M and S don't attend any session together. So could they attend a session together? Well, what would that look like? So if we had both S and M here, why would that be a problem? The reason that would be a problem is because of the first rule. So each conference participant attends exactly 2 sessions, which are on different topics and on different days. So S can't attend 2 sessions in one day. So S has to attend a different session on day 3, so cannot attend both H and R on day 3, sorry. So it has to attend H on a different day. So either on day 1 or on day 2. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Now, what's wrong with D? So D, M, and T do not attend any session together. Well, we have an example where they do. That's totally fine. Tate attends a session on investing. So that's possible, but there's nothing wrong with Tate actually attending no sessions on investing and attending over here. And actually, there was something wrong with Tate attending investing there because we can't have Tate attending 2 on day 1. This would be possible. But Tate could also just attend hiring and regulations, just like M&S. So that would be fine. And then we actually don't have anybody attending a session on investing. Okay, so this one's a matter of seeing what's possible, but I think it's really testing you on that first rule. Okay, each of the following is possible except. Okay, A, every session is attended by at least, every session attended by at least 1 capital employee is attended by exactly 1 capital employee. So that would mean we split everybody up. Okay, so we could put T over here in investing, and that's totally possible. So we have to eliminate it. We're looking for the exception. B, every session attended by at least one capital employee is attended by exactly 2. Okay, exactly 2. So that is going to cause us some problems. So M and S can't attend investing, and T can't attend anything on day 3. So we would have to completely eliminate anything day 3 and anything investing. And then we would somehow have to try to put 2 players together for each of these, but then not have a player do the same session twice or have 2 sessions in one day. And there's actually no way to make that work, right? So if I put T here, then T is twice on that day. M there, M is twice on that day. That's not possible. And then if I try to put like S up here, then S is doing hiring twice. That's not allowed. So yeah, B is not going to work, which means it's the correct answer because we're looking for something that's impossible. C, every session attended by M is also attended by S. So if M attends something, then S attends it. So let's give that a go. See if we can make that work. So we have M and S together. Okay, and then we could put M and S together in over here. Right. And then we could have Tate do investing here and regulations there. No problem with that. So we can eliminate C. Every session attended by S is also attended by T. We can see, we could make that work, and same with E. So the real issue is going to be an answer choice B. Okay. 10. Right. If all 3 sessions on the first day are attended by 1 or more capital employees, so day 1, that means T definitely has to attend investing on the first day. And then we have, S and M, and we can switch those guys around. That's fine. Okay. So M and S attend a session together on the 3rd day. Okay. So M and S attending a session together on the 3rd day is not going to work because then we would end up having them twice, right? So that one must be false. A is the correct answer. S and T being together on the 2nd day is not a problem. So S can't move down here in this scenario, but we totally have T up there. That would be fine. Maria attends a session on hiring on the 2nd day. That would be okay. We would just have to switch, right? We can always switch M and S here, and that we could make that work. That would be fine. S attends a session on regulations on the 3rd day. Yeah, we can make that work. We just have to switch M and S, right? So I'll just show what that would actually look like. Okay. So you can see an example of both of those there. Okay. So yeah, M hiring on the second day is fine. S regulations on the third day is fine. And Tate attends a session on investing on the first day. That has to happen because M can't attend it, S can't attend it, and we need all 3 sessions to be attended by. They say 1 or more. It's actually not possible to have to be attended by more because we can't add another of any of these players on day 1 because it has to be different days. Yeah, so that leads us to A, confirming A is the correct answer. Right. Okay, last question, and we do have a question-specific condition. If M and T are the only capital employees to attend a session on the first day, right? So that means S doesn't attend anything on the first day. So if S can't attend anything on the first day and can't attend investing, S has to attend something on the second day and something on the third day, and those somethings have to be, hiring, have to include hiring and, that's interesting, sorry, hiring the regulation. So this is possible here. How do I get M out of there? Okay, so S, there we go. All right, so that's a possibility. And I'll get T out and the other M out. That's possible, but we could also switch it up and do that. So those are the only 2 possibilities that we have. So each of the following could be true except M and S attend exactly 2 sessions together. Yeah, they definitely could attend both of those. M and T attend exactly 2 sessions together. So could M and T? Yeah, I think so. I think that would be fine. So I could, that is so strange. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix that. There we go. Okay, so M and T are together there, and we can put M and T together there, and that would be fine. S and T attend exactly 1 session together. Yes, so they could attend that together as long as T doesn't attend 2 on the same day. M attends a session on regulations on the second day. So M attending this session here, I don't see anything wrong with that. I think I must be missing something. And S. Oh, I'm completely doing the wrong thing. Did I did I completely misread the question here? Oh, that is so bizarre. Why did I interpret it as S? Oh, that was a deduction that I made based on that. Sorry. So yeah, I didn't complete my, I was wondering what was going on there. Got a little bit too anxious to get into the answer choices and actually forgot what the question was. Sorry. All right, so if M and T are the only capital employees to attend a session on the first day, that means that they have to attend on the first day, and also that that S doesn't. So we have to have S, and then we do have to have M and T in here somewhere. Okay. M and S attend exactly 2 sessions together, yeah, that's not going to work because that would be both of their sessions, and that would mean M is no longer on day one. So yeah, that one's got to be the correct answer, I think, unless I'm, yeah. So that one was easier than I thought, for sure. And it was just a matter of I misread or completely missed this. I made a deduction based on it, and then I just went forward with only that deduction and not the condition itself. So yeah, M and T actually do have to attend a session on the first day, right? They're the only capital employees to attend a session on the first day, rather than they're the only capital employees that are allowed to attend a session on the first day. Those are different things, right? So not only are they the only ones allowed to, meaning S can't, but they actually do attend a session on the first day. So yeah, it's not possible for M and S to attend two sessions together. M and T definitely could, right? They could attend the same session on the first day, and then they could attend another session together on the second day. S and T could still attend one session together because I could put T in with S. M could attend a session on regulations on the second day as long as M attends hiring on the first day, which is possible. And T hiring on the second day, yeah, as long as it doesn't attend hiring on the first day, no problem there. So yeah, A is the correct answer. Okay, great. So hopefully that answers your questions about game 2 from 39. But if you would like more clarification, please let me know. And if you're looking for other games that are similar to this, and you don't already have my my info on that, then you can let me know what you're looking for there as well, and I can try to find some other similar games that you can try out. Okay, great. Have a good one.